the debuting, at least in this conference, Meralco Bolts. The name is Mike Reyes, joined still by Coach Alan Gregorio. Mali ang Meralco sa pili ng import, Coach. Alam mo yan. And slithering through is Berto for the deuce.
Gusto ko doon yung pag nakakashoot, iiling pa eh.
Dramatic yan. Ano, simpleng yabang ni Berto yan. Idol natin yun eh. Bolick, the Euro, the 1-2, the conversion, and the iling. Matik yung iling na yan.
Tinignan na nga kasi.
May iling eh.
Alam ka.
Sasama na natin sa, sa call natin. Ayan na naman siya. Bolick, the pull-up jumper. Robert Bolick is starting to get hot here. Just the skill set of a Robert Bolick, coach, in full display.
Look at this one more time. In out dribble, pull-up jumper, 2-point shot. Sana? O ba? Wala.
Hindi rin nagpipilit itong si Johnny O'Brien. That's Bolick from deep.
And that's just what he needed. But what about that screen that was given by Arvin? A lot of spunk in offense.
Robert Bolick, though, muscles his way in, flexes on him. Robert Bolick with a bucket. Banquero. Tapped by Bolick. One-on-one. And one for Robert Bolick.
A good comeback right here for Northport Batang Pier, because they're getting the rebounds, because they're making the necessary stuff. On the other side, nagkakaroon sila ng early offense or fast break opportunities.
Dalawang bedista. Nakita. Kung saan tayo papuntahin, doon tayo pupunta. Import. Bolick will let this one fly. Splash!
Now, much better quarter being played by Northport. He did not take the shot hanggang hindi nakapasok si Arvin. Meron silang chance makakuha ng offensive rebound. And that was just good.
Bolick squeezes through. Bolick, the bang, the bucket, the flex once again by Robert Bolick, and one opportunity.
Well, definitely there was body contact on the part of Alain Baliksi. But the good thing about Robert Bolick,
Make that 8.
Meralco.
Bolick attacks over the outstretched arms of Almazan.
How tough was that shot, knowing perfectly well that
Ang ganda rin ng mga shots niya from that close as Robert Bolick continues to sizzle here, cuts this back down to 8.
Hindi. Ngiwi naman.
Bolick attacks Banquero all the way to the rim. 6 points na lang inahabol dito ng Northport.
And you know, this is a 2-possession ball game. This is plenty of time. What is important for Northport right now is
to Bolick. Matik na to para kay Robert Bolick. Cuts this to 4. But this is the last thing you want to see with 2 minutes remaining. Can this be a case of cramps para kay Berto? Look at this. Bolick! Career high, 35 points for Bolick, but more importantly, cuts this to a single possession.
But what about the timing of getting that steal right there, up in the air, knowing the right timing to be able to get that one for a fast break?
Bolick will attack once again against O'Brien. Bolick will finish. 37 points for Robert Bolick. At eto na naman, yung cramps niya sa kanyang right calf. 1 minute na lang to, coach.
Ganda ng play yung ginawa ni Coach Pido Harencio.
Ito na, Robert Bolick, 37. Arwin. No! Bolick the board! He will bring this out. Back to Sumang.
What an effort on the part of Robert Bolick, cramping and everything. Was still able to penetrate. Missed shot and all. Was able to get that big offensive rebound. Look at this one more time.
Bolick attacks Quinto, the foul. 2 free throws for Robert Bolick to tie this game.
Well, he did not allow the 3-point shot, but still great decision, no?
Bong Quinto as Bolick hits the first free throw, 38. If this goes in the clutch as Robert Bolick delivers once again, ties this one up at 89. 18 seconds left on the shot. A chance to take the lead. Robert Bolick, 42.
You called it. You've been watching him. You've been really observing the kind of ball game. You knew that he's not gonna stop.
Robert Bolick goes all the way. 44 points.
And you were telling me he was cramping up. You called it right. It's not over. What a big ball game coming from Robert. Win for Northport, coming from behind. Credit their defense, the game adjustment, and one guy who never gave up, and his name is Robert Bolick.
What a win for the Northport Batang Pier. There was a point in the game wherein nobody believed that they could put